In the evening, the overseer reappeared and unwound his tape measure. He measured the work that Dugayev had done. 25%, he said, and looked at Dugayev. Do you hear me? 25%. I hear you, Dugayev said. He was surprised at this figure. The work was so hard. The shovel picked up so little stone, and it was so difficult to swing the pick. 25% of the work quota seemed an enormous amount to Dugayev. His calves ached, and his arms, shoulders, and head hurt from leaning into the wheelbarrow. The sensation of hunger had long since left him. Well, I guess that's that, the overseer said as he left. Good luck. That evening, Dugayev was summoned to the investigator. He answered 4 questions: first name, surname, crime, sentence. These were the 4 questions that a prisoner had to answer 30 times a day. Later, Dugayev fell asleep. The next day, he was again working in the work gang with Baranov, and the following night soldiers took him behind the horse barns along a path that led into the woods. They came to a tall fence topped with barbed wire. The fence nearly blocked off a small ravine, and in the night, the prisoners could hear the tractors backfiring in the distance. When he realized what was about to happen, Dugayev regretted that he had worked for nothing there. There had been no reason for him to exhaust himself on this, his last day.